how to install Shop Builder. So we go to Add New and upload the zip we get from Codecanyon. And we create our page, or maybe add it to a page. We just click Add Shop here and select our layout. And that should be it. And we can of course choose any layout. And maybe let's say we want to modify, so we can switch pricing categories or whatever. We just go to list layout to edit any layout, and this is list simple, and we can edit any of those. Maybe switch categories with price, and maybe align this in center. Okay, let's save, and this might look better.